Hey everyone, it's Lauren. I just have something to show you. Every once in a while, there is a bird that hits our window and they get stunned. And this one is just the cutest little bird. He had a little head injury. He'll be better in just a minute, but usually takes him a little while to recover. He's so beautiful. Look how yellow and gorgeous he is. He's a little chickadee or something. So pretty. But I found him here on the Dexter. See, Dexter, he's high. He likes the birds. Easy. No, easy. Easy. Yes, he's a good puppy. Good bird. He's a good baby bird. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, we were going out to the store, and I noticed him on our little patio, and he had probably hit our window and was dazed. Yes, sir. Are you doing okay? Are you doing okay? Yeah, he'll be better. Yeah. I think maybe hurt his beak or something, but they do that from time to time. Anyway, just wanted to check in, wanted to show you what I found. He's so pretty. Dexter, hush up. We're going out, and Dexter's like crazy. But, yeah? Are you okay? Enough! Enough! Wait! Shh, stop it. You're scaring the bird. You're scaring the bird. Anyway. Right, I'm gonna... No. Yeah, look how pretty. Stop it. You okay? Are you okay? There you go. Come on. Yeah. Go. Oh, there you go. Hi. Oh, there you go. Come on. You're okay. Yeah, you're okay. Look at you. Oh. Yeah? You feeling better? Yeah? Easy, easy. No, easy. Kiss, kiss. Yeah. Good boy. Easy. No. No. You don't eat birds. These are not eating things. These are... He just wants to eat the bird. Anyway, I'm gonna check out. Hope you guys have a great day. Just thought you'd like to see this. How beautiful this beautiful bird is. So pretty, so calm. Yeah. All right, guys. Bye.